Hello kiddos, welcome to Math in Minutes. Today we are going to discuss properties of quadrilaterals. A closed figure bounded by four line segments is called a quadrilateral. The place where these line segments meet is called vertex. Quadrilateral has four vertices P, Q, R, S. Quadrilateral has four sides PQ, QR, RS and SP. Quadrilateral has four angles, angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S. Quadrilateral has two diagonals. What is a diagonal? The line segment joining the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral. Vertex P is opposite to vertex R. The line segment joining opposite vertices of a quadrilateral is called diagonal. So quadrilateral has two diagonals which divide the quadrilateral into four triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one of the pairs of opposite sides is parallel. This is a trapezium. A, B, C and D. Pair of opposite sides are parallel in trapezium. So AB, side AB is parallel to side CD. It has two diagonals. Parallelogram, a quadrilateral in which the pairs of opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. A, B, C and D. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. That is, AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD and these sides are parallel and also equal. Also in parallelogram, opposite angles are also equal. Angle A is opposite to angle C. So angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. Diagonals. We already know what is a diagonal. A line passing through the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral is called diagonal. So diagonals bisect each other. What does bisect each other means? The diagonals are meeting at point O. AO is equal to OC. DO is equal to OB. If this condition meets, then we can say that diagonals bisect each other. Rhombus. A parallelogram in which all four sides are equal is called a rhombus. this is a rhombus. P Q R S. As I said earlier, all sides are equal in a rhombus. I mean PQ, QR, RS and SP, all sides are equal, and opposite sides are parallel. Like PQ is parallel to RS and QR is parallel to SP, and opposite angles are equal. Like angle P is equal to angle R, angle Q is equal to angle S. And also here diagonals bisect each other. When I draw a diagonal from opposite vertices, diagonals bisect each other. Let's say they intersect at a point O. Now diagonals bisect each other means PO is equal to OR and the distance SO is equal to OQ. So the conclusion is rhombus is also a parallelogram, but in rhombus the additional property along with parallelogram is in rhombus all four sides are equal. Rectangle. A parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle is called a rectangle. This is a rectangle A, B, C, D. In rectangle, opposite sides AB and CD are equal, AD and BC are equal, and opposite sides are parallel to each other. AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. And all the angles in rectangle are right angles. What is the meaning of right angle? An angle which is exactly equal to 90 degrees is called right angle. All the angles in right angle, that is angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, all of them are right angles. I mean which is 90 degrees. Let's talk about diagonals of the rectangle. Diagonals of the rectangle bisect each other. Let's say they bisect at the point O. Bisect each other means the distance AO is equal to OC, DO is equal to OB. So a rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is rectangle. Square. A rhombus with all its angles equal to right angles is called a square. This is a square. Let's name it as A, B, C, D. In a square, opposite sides are parallel and all the sides are equal, and all the angles is equal to right angles. And the diagonals also bisect each other. So a square is a rhombus with all angles are equal to right angles. Quick recap, kids. We can identify the name of a quadrilateral by looking at sides. How many sides are parallel? How many sides are equal? And second criteria is you can look at the angles. If the opposite angles are equal or not, or you have to check if all the angles are right angle, like that. So these are few points which you can use to identify the name of a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. The different types of quadrilaterals are trapezoid, parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus and kite. A trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides, whereas parallelogram has 2 pair of parallel sides. A rhombus has all the sides equal but no right angles. Square has all sides equal and it has right angles. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal and all 4 right angles. Thanks for watching, kids. Like, share and subscribe to Math in Minutes.